bro? How you doing?
Good, bro. Good. Good. You want to share some advice to people who are dealing with haters, either in business or
Um,
thing?
in the great words of Brandon Carter, man. Brandon Carter used to say, man, hate is beneath you. You know what I'm saying? So you can't really dwell on what the haters got to say because they always gonna be talking. G, they're always gonna have something to say. As long as you doing what you're fucking supposed to do as a man, they're always gonna have something to say. The haters will fuck with your confidence. You know, sometimes the woman that you dating is the hater, right? Sometimes the
Ooh,
hater will she'll put something in your ear to make you second guess your confidence and your ability to perform whatever level you're trying to perform at. You feel what I'm
yep,
saying? Oh, don't do that. You're doing it wrong when you're doing it right. But she trying to throw you
yep.
off. Man, fuck him, man. Ain't that what you told me? He said, man, fuck him, man. hey, hey, we get the Lamborghinis. We're gonna invite that bitch ass.
Yep,
You know what I'm
yep,
saying? And then we're gonna teach them where they fucked up at, you know?
yep.
So it's just about, bro, honestly, it's just about staying focused, bro. Staying focused, man, getting to your chicken bags, keeping your mind right, bro, and having a great circle of influence around you. Like, people always gonna hate, bro. But you
Yep.
just gotta just fuck them.
Yep, for sure. I mean, for you, when you were first starting out, I mean, you have a lot of followers, a lot of subscribers, but I know when you were first starting out, you got a lot of hate, and at the time, it seemed true. It was almost like you're not gonna make it. You're not famous. You don't know what you're talking about. You don't have a lot of followers, and it's funny because you do now, but nothing changed. Your advice was always the same,
Yeah,
right? So it's sad how these people look at those things, and that's what they clarify as like good advice, or okay, now this guy's speaking facts because he's got followers. Like, dude, no, I was saying this shit when I had nothing, when I had no followers.
exactly.
You know, a lot of your haters are actually early signs of success. If any of you guys have haters, that means you're doing something right. Even if you don't feel like it yet, that's a good sign that you're doing something right, and you need to push hard and you double down on it for sure.
When they talking, bro, it's cause you're doing something right, bro. And when they're not talking, bro, you're doing something wrong. Progression. Somebody said results is what matters.
Yep.
So people can talk all that shit, bro. But if you getting 50,000 views a video, if you changing people's lives, bro, if you doing what you supposed to do, bro, you know what I'm saying? You adding value to people, then that's all that fucking matters, bro. How can a hater add value to your life? They can't. They can't, bro. So you gotta leave them motherfuckers alone. A lot of y'all don't know how to leave motherfuckers alone. A lot of y'all homeboys is haters.
Yep.
I see that little business you started, man. That little YouTube shit you doing, man. I don't say you working that little ass job, or I don't say you getting paid that little ass paycheck that you get every 2 weeks. You know what I'm
Yep.
saying? I salute you. But
Yep.
somehow when you on your way to the top, they always want to try to, sit your bitch ass down, nigga. You ain't doing shit. You know what I'm
Yep.
saying? Just like a girl that you dating. You know,
Yep.
you get a haircut, you know what I'm saying? She ain't gonna tell you you look good because she perceives everybody else is telling you that you look good. So let me do
Yep.
something to knock you off like a fucking
She doesn't want
hater.
to lose you. She doesn't want to lose you. I'll give you here. Here's some cool advice for your boys. Listen, a good girlfriend, a good quality girlfriend is gonna want you to look better, not only in front of other women, but in front of everyone else. Like she's gonna want
Facts.
to make you good. Like that's the thing is all my girlfriends, not only do they bring over other chicks for me, like I don't have to go out there. They're out on Tinder for other chicks. They're swiping on other hoes for me to bring over. Okay. One. Two, like she's giving me advice to make me look good, to help me out with my style, whatever, because she actually cares, and I could actually tell because I've dated girls just like what you're saying, where they are trying to manipulate you or try to make you feel insecure, try to say things to belittle you, right? One, because they don't want to lose you. That's why girls say they love dad bods. Why do girls say they love dad bods? Is because that means there's less competition, right? Same thing why girls say they love nice guys. Or I love simps. I love guys who FaceTime me all the time and call me all the time and text me all
Mm-hmm.
the time. No, they
Mm-hmm.
they actually don't. They don't fuck any of those dudes. That's just the
Facts.
fucking. So they say that just to keep the competition low.
Or this one, you ever heard it? You ever seen this meme? Like, I like my guy put up and private and mean. Shut the fuck up, bitch. No, you don't. You don't, bitch. You just want me put up so you can be put on. So
Yes.
you can have all the attention. You want me put up behind you so everybody can conversate with you and not see me.
Yep.
They love men who are out here, bro. They love men who are out here. I ain't gonna say in these streets, but out here living their own life, man. Don't listen to that bullshit. Don't
Yep.
listen to that bullshit, man. You
Yep.
know?
I see girls saying that all the time. I want a guy who has like no followers. He has less than 300 followers. I'm like, but these girls are all following guys who have millions of followers. They're all
Come
stuck.
on, man. Come on with the contradiction, baby. Stop lying. Just say, you know what? You're too cold for me, man. Just say you want a weaker nigga. Just say that. Logan, why they can't just say that, bro? Just say, you know what? You're too much for me, and I can't handle you, and I'm gonna go to a weaker guy, a more inferior guy, because they know you're superior to them. That's why they try to lower your fucking confidence.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
But here's the cool thing about being like us and like being the best version of yourself overall is it's a nice filter for everyone, guys and girls included. Because when you're being the best version of yourself, you automatically filter out low quality people very quickly.
Yeah.
Like insecure people, they present themselves very quickly, and you can spot it very quickly because you're way past their level, and you make a lot of people feel very insecure. And so those insecurities are brought very quickly, especially with a lot of those girls who will either try to cuff you super quickly, try to lock you down, try to fucking manipulate you. They'll do a bunch of shit. They'll start crying, whatever, just to lock you down, bro. And same with the guys too. Low quality dudes, they'll do the same shit. They'll talk shit. They'll do whatever because you're way past their level. So that's a great filter. And also, obviously, like the content that we create, like girls will watch our content, and I've had so many girls say, "I don't like what you say." Cool, then fuck off. Like I don't want you anyway. I want a girl who likes what I have to say. I want a girl who is based, like, bro, come on. I don't want a girl that shut off.
Because if you don't like what I have to say, why should I give a fuck?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? A woman told me, bro, oh, you have to, she said, hey, you can't post certain stuff like this on your story. You have to be more mysterious. But you can post them big ass titties. Right? I can't thirst trap, right? I can't post what I want to post because you're jealous that other hoes like that, but you can post your big ass titties and twerk and post memes.
Yep.
Feel what I'm saying? But that's the hater, and that's the hater shit though, So that's why y'all gotta just peek the little cues of what women be saying, man. Like, oh no, you can't do that. Why I can't do that? But you can do that.
Those are natural manipulators.
Absolutely. Hey Logan, bro. Hey, bro. That's why you gotta play the game. Listen, bro. All my feelings here that's listening. If a bitch texts you, text that bitch back 5 hours later. Cause trust me when I say this, she gonna do the same shit to you, my nigga. Listen, bro. When you get a girl number, bro, do not. No, just wait, because they're playing the game too.
7 hours
Come
later. 7 hours
on,
later.
bro. You know why? Hey, you know why, Logan? Because hey, Logan, it makes you high value. It makes you seem like you're doing something. She's busy, bitch. I'm not busy. You're not busy neither, bitch.
Game is game. Game is game.
Game is game, baby. Hey, man, it's definitely good to chop it up with you, bro. I love what you're doing, bro. I can't wait to collab and link up with you soon, bro. Like, man, like, bro, I love the game, bro. You gotta love the game, bro. And you just gotta love self-improving to get to the next level, bro. This shit is all fun at the end of the day.
Yep.
You can't take these hoes serious, bro. Take your life serious. You know what I'm saying? And if it's a good woman and come into your life, take her half serious until she show you that she gonna take you serious.
Yep.
That's real talk.
Yep. Treat them like children because they act like them.
they sure the fuck do. All right, my boy, I'm gonna let you go.
All right, see you, brother. All right, see ya. I saw one chick's comment. She's like, write a book for the girls. If I were to write a book for girls, it would be a cookbook or something on like my favorite meals or some shit. That would be pretty fire. So I can give it out to all my girlfriends, and then they know what to cook.